Punctuation. The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. Why do we need punctuation? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Full stop. A full stop marks the end of the sentence. For example, Ravi went to the shop. He bought a sweet. Comma. A comma indicates a natural pause in a sentence or used to separate items in a list. For example, Rani went to her friend Amy's house. She loves to go there. Adam bought apples, bananas, pear, and grapes from market. Question mark. A question mark indicates the end of a question. How are you? For example, how long is the bus journey from London to Cambridge? Exclamation mark. An exclamation marks the end of a dramatic statement or sentence. For example, stop. Don't run into the road. Quotation marks. A quotation mark indicates direct speech. I love to read books, said Seema. What did you do yesterday? Asked Ravi. These are the examples of quotation mark. Parenthesis, commonly known as round bracket. Separate the extra information from the rest of the add emphasis. Comma can replace them without changing them. For example, I went to the cinema to meet James bracket my eldest brother. George Washington bracket the first American president. Square bracket used by the editor to indicate extra information. For example, he loves bracket as painting stones, he said. Slash. Forward slash indicate to separate the word or and can be used to separate the day, month, and year. For example, when her client comes, call him on this number. She can help you as an objective legal advisor. Hyphen. A hyphen used to join words or to separate syllables in a verse. For example, she is very self confident. Her son is going to be 4 years old. N dash. N dash indicates the period of time, range of numbers, or a distance. For example, he lived in this town from 1998 to 2009. You could choose two numbers from 1 to 50. M dash. M dash can be used instead of comma, colon, or bracket. This add emphasis or enhance readability. For example, please call my supervisor John Wick on Friday. They are learning three languages: English, Chinese, and Spanish. Ellipsis point. Ellipsis point indicates omitted words or to add affix to a sentence. I was thinking about you. Weeks later, I finally heard from old boss about job.